Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, let's talk about this newly released item from Louis Vuitton. It is a key pouch size M. When I saw this on the website, I was totally intrigued by it. That's because it is made up of neoprene, and aside from that, this one came in with this beautiful, lovely pop of colors. I mean, I was just looking at the stock photo and the vibrant color looks amazing. So anyway, I have here this key pouch in a size M, and I got this a year ago, and it is one of my most used pouch in my collection. And it is made up of a classic monogram canvas and with a gold hardware, and pretty much the setup and the components is similar to the neoprene. So size wise, it does seem to look like it is the same. So let me just show you the different array of colors. So the neoprene version of the key pouch size M came in with this blue color, which Louis Vuitton called it as neon wave. And then they also have this lovely pink, a fuchsia pink, which they called it as a pop crush. And then the orange California. So I am trying to get a hands on this pink color, and unfortunately they are sold out. And looking at the pattern, it seems that the pattern is actually the regular monogram. And gosh, just looking at the stock photo, the monogram pattern seems that it was debossed deeply. And I can't wait to see this in person. So this is the canvas version of it. And this one, let me see. So this is the canvas version, and then this is the neoprene version. And looking at the pattern, so the only way for us to figure out if it's exactly the same size is just like, to me personally, I will just count the pattern. So these are the cutouts of the fleur-de-lis. It seems it is the same. And then the interlocking logo, it is pretty much, there's 3 in here, and the neoprene one has 3. So pretty much the fleur-de-lis has the same. From looking at right here in a vertical, if you're looking at it this way, and then if you're looking at on this side horizontally, it is just the placement of the logo, and the fleur-de-lis is actually the same. But the only difference it's made up, the only difference is the material, which this one is canvas and the other one is neoprene. So yeah, I don't know, I just love the beautiful pop of colors for summer. And now let's take a look at the hardware. So the hardware for this one is in gold. And I love the zipper. The zipper is very, very smooth. And the photo appears to be, it has a gold hardware. And then let's take a look at inside. So it opens like this, and this is how it looks inside. It has a very generous opening, like that. And then this one is lined with a cowhide leather. Very nice. Whereas the neoprene one, it's lined with microfiber lining, which is very, very soft. And also on this side over here, on the opposite side of the pouch, it has a very long compartment, and the neoprene has pretty much the same. The setup inside is pretty much the same. And then this also has the chain hook right here. Very nice. Right there, which is also in gold hardware. And when you look at the neoprene one, it is exactly the same. Pretty much. It is exactly the same. This side. So this is not made up of one continuous piece of canvas. And then, yeah, that's just pretty much it. It's the same. It's the same setup, a different component. It is made up of neoprene. This one is made up of canvas, and this one is priced as, the neoprene is priced as $645 US. And I believe I got this before the price increase, and right now this one is priced around $515 US before tax. So I don't know, what do you guys think for the neoprene for $645? Is it worth it? I just really love the look of it, the beautiful pop of colors. The debossing seems to look so precise, and I just love to feel every ridge in it. And also, if you also like the other version of it, they have another version which is actually made up of the heritage canvas. I guess you guys all know that pattern. And that one came in with a blue color. And then the other one is in pink. They actually call it Pondicherry pink. And that one has the registered trademark right there at the bottom, which says Marque Louis Vuitton Déposé. So if you like that, and you also like the component, which is silver, the heritage canvas, the pull tab actually is made up of a vacetta leather. I believe that one is the age of vacetta, which is already been has a little bit of a patina in it. And then the interior, the same setup as the one that I have, and then it is lined with textile lining. It appears to be, it's a little bit rough. And then the chain hook. So yeah, I mean, I like that pink color. I really like that. So if you like the heritage, that would be perfect for you. It is around $630 US. It is made up of canvas. So I have here the canvas, the regular classic monogram. They have the version of heritage canvas, and then they also have the neoprene version. And for this is my all-time favorite. I love it. I've used this a lot, and this one fits perfectly in a lot of my purses. I mean, I could easily slip in my purse without any issues, just because this one actually sat flat, just like that. And also the width is actually, it's around 0.4 inches. It's not too bad, but I think the neoprene actually, that would expand way more than the canvas. I mean, this one is like, it's pliable. However, the neoprene has more, how do you call this? It's more stretchy. It's more flexible compared to the canvas. But I don't know for the heritage version. That's because I only have the classic monogram, and I totally Totally love this. You could put your passport. This is definitely perfect for traveling. I mean, I could put my passport, my card holder, some of my cosmetics. It fits perfectly in here. And then yeah, it has those little pocket, which is quite nice right here. So yeah, so that is hopefully when I check the website, I get hands on that beautiful pink color, which is the Pop Crush. Anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.